Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickle dip. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need an 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese, about 1 cup of finely chopped dill pickles, 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped dill, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. These simple components are the foundation for a truly delicious and easy-to-make dip that everyone will love. Now let's get mixing. In a medium-sized bowl, add your softened 8-ounce block of cream cheese. Sprinkle in the 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Using a spatula or an electric mixer, blend these two ingredients together until they are completely smooth and creamy. This step ensures your dip has a consistent texture and a wonderful savory foundation. Next, it's time to introduce the stars of the show, the pickles and fresh dill. Gently fold in your 1 cup of finely chopped dill pickles and the 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped dill into the cream cheese mixture. Mix just enough to ensure everything is evenly distributed. Overmixing can make the dip too watery, so a light hand is best here to keep that perfect consistency. Finally, for the best flavor, cover your pickle dip and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. This chilling time allows all the delicious flavors to meld together beautifully, enhancing the overall taste. Once chilled, serve your amazing pickle dip with your favorite crackers, potato chips, or fresh vegetable sticks. It's perfect for any gathering or a simple snack.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.